You alright guys, back again, me. Again, I've made a video before about showing how to fix squeaking if you've got trainers like Nike REAX like I'm wearing, and it works. And I've done it before, but it started squeaking again. So this time, rather because I did it before, I filmed it upstairs in my room, but this time I'm going to show you how to do it all in one go. So like if my partner wants to quickly just show me walking and listening to the squeak. I think that's enough, and then so what I'll do now quickly is just take these off, take both of them off. I'll do them one at a time. Get your PTFE WD-40, and here you've got loads of little holes along the side of your shoes, and you just pop it in, and hopefully it will work this time straight away. I might have put almost too much in here. Right. And then let's do the other one. Nice of the neighbours to join. That should be way more than enough, but let's have a go. And like it might take 3 or 4 steps before it actually works, but let's test it out. Okay. So as before you heard it was squeak, squeak, squeak. So all I need to do is just kind of like step about a bit. Can you hear the squeaks? No. Because this fucking thing does the job. There you go, that's it. WD-40 PTFE, get it. If WD-40 are listening, I'm free for sponsorship, so give me a couple of grand for this video. And then yeah, I'll see you again another time.